Welcome to Tech Crumbs, where we break technology into smaller pieces. Today I want to show you how to attach accessories to the bottom of your GoPro. Either it be a helmet mount or a surfboard mount or any sort of mount that requires the bottom latch. So it's very simple. Your GoPro 8 has these latches that go inside the body. So you can see here, I'm lifting one up and the other one up. And now you have the little latches coming out, and then you grab whatever accessory you have that's compatible with the GoPros, and you have your little indicator of how it goes. So basically it's very simple. You match them together, and then you got the screw and you just push it through, and you want to align it so it goes through. And now we just tighten it all the way till you're sure that it's tight, and you want to tighten it enough that it won't move while you're doing any sort of crazy action, surfing, snowboarding, bike riding. So don't be scared of tightening. You're going against the screw on the back, so it won't have a problem. You're not hurting the camera in any way. So yeah, that's basically how you have it now. As you can see, we can move it and it won't move at all. And if you want to replace it to somewhere else, just let go a little bit, mount it some other way, and when you tighten it, once again, it's tight. So now we have it in a different position, so we could be shooting upwards on a table or anything like that. So that's very simple. And then when you want to remove it, you just have to let go of the screw here on the side, pull it out all the way, remove the accessory or the mount, and then basically close these flaps upwards, and your camera is now ready to basically be used in housing or something else if you need to. So yeah, that's how you mount the bottom mounts for holding it into different devices, body, or sports. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.